In this video, we will discuss about ways to monitor your Azure AI service so that you can track utilization, you can detect the trends, you can detect any troubleshoot issues, right? So as we all know, Azure services are very cost efficient. You pay as you use. So you will be paying only for the amount of time you use or the based on your utilization. So then it becomes very important that you estimate your AI service cost. So you have got Azure pricing calculator where you can estimate your Azure AI service cost. So I am not going to explain about this Azure pricing calculator. This is very easy to explore, and here you can calculate the cost of your single Azure AI service, or you can just keep on adding the different capabilities, and then you can get the total cost. And you can also check like for amount of time that you want to use and what would be the cost for that amount of time. Apart from using Azure pricing calculator, you can also view the details of your accumulated cost of different AI service resources from Azure portal. So when we do the lab, we will see where we can see you have got a cost analysis service, and you can just go there and view all your accumulated cost. So basically, I just want to tell you that you have different options to monitor the cost of your Azure AI services. Now you have another very good option of creating alerts. So why do you have to create alerts? So basically these alerts are created, or alert rules are created to give you any notification based on any event or metric thresholds on these Azure AI services. So based on any event, let's say someone else has come and regenerated your keys and you want to get it notified that someone is coming and using your AI service, or any metric threshold. Let's say you want to get notified after there are errors count more than 10. Okay, so you're specifying some metric and you're specifying some threshold limit, and then you want to get notified. So when you configure these kind of alert rules, then you will be notified, or a correct team will be alerted, so if any problem arises. So this is the interface in Azure portal. We will see when we will do the lab. So here you have something called alert kind of form given where you can create a alert rules. So we will see in detail. I just want to show you that you have a provision to create alert rules based on certain event or any metric thresholds that you can specify. So, four things that you should always remember when you create an alert rule. You should specify the scope of the alert rule. Scope means on which resource you want to create the alert rule. And then you have got a condition. So condition on which this alert will be triggered. So it can be any signal type, as I mentioned earlier, like any event, anyone coming and doing some activity on your Azure AI service. So then this is a kind of signal, or any activity log or a metric. So the logs that will be logged. So based on that also you can specify a condition for your alert rule. And then you have actions that you need to specify. Actions something like you want to send an email when this alert is fired to an administrator and notifying them that there is some alert or some problem. Or you can also have a Azure Logic app which automatically addresses the issue whenever any alert is fired. So whenever an alert is fired, you can run a Azure Logic app. So based on whatever process that you want to do to resolve that particular alert. And then you specify alert rule details wherein you actually provide a name of your alert rule, and then resource group in which your alert rule will be defined. So you can create your alert rule in some other different resource group, or in the same resource group where your AI service is present. So while you are creating alert rule, these four things you need to specify. Next, how you can view your metrics. Basically, your Azure monitor collects metrics to track health, utilization and performance of your services. So let's say you have got some 100 requests to your Azure AI services, right? But you want to track from where those requests are coming. So you can track all that under metrics. So you have got a metrics option onto your Azure AI service where you can go ahead and you can track these kind of matrices, like you have any errors, or what are the kind of data that is submitted, what are the different requests, whether the request is failing or success. All that you can monitor here, and you can create charts from here. uh, you can do different things here. Okay, so that we will explore in labs. So this is what I just wanted to tell you in brief, that you have the capability of monitoring your Azure AI service, and to avoid any kind of issues, you have some options provided to get notified or to monitor. Thank you.